Have your views suddenly dropped and your impressions crashed? And your subscribers can't even see your video anymore? And now you are beginning to ask yourself if YouTube has actually shadow banned your channel? So before you panic, relax, because what most creators think or call shadow ban is not actually what it is. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to check step by step what's going on and what's happening with your channel. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel. I help small creators grow and monetize on YouTube. And this topic today is one that confuses a lot of creators, especially new creators. So let's clear up the air. Does YouTube actually shadow ban? That's a question. Now let's clear up something. YouTube does not officially have a feature that is called shadow ban. There is no public YouTube policy that says we secretly hide your videos from your subscribers or anything like that. But that does not mean your reach cannot be limited. Your reach can be limited, as a matter of fact. So what most creators refer to as shadow ban most times is going into maybe your channel suddenly gets low impressions, your videos are no longer being recommended, your views dropped dramatically, your subscribers suddenly don't see or find your videos, and overall your channel feels slow, it's stalling. So if you find yourself in this situation, the real question is not, has YouTube shadow banned me? The question you should be asking is, why did my impressions drop? That is what you should be concerned about. And I'm going to show you how you can test this right now. Now you have to test if it is only one video that is affected in your channel or if it is everything. And how do you do this? Simply by heading straight to your analytics on your YouTube dashboard. So here we are on my YouTube dashboard. So in order for you to do this test, you have to go over to your YouTube dashboard, then analytics, then head over to content. Okay, then you compare the last 28 days with the previous one, which is the last 90 days. Now let's check this. You can see that for the last 90 days, I had 4.4k views and 91.3k impression, which is showing good, and impressions click-through rate was just 2.8. Average view duration is 3 minutes and some few seconds there. So now you see that I still have a lot of work to do. There is room for improvement because the impression click-through rate should be higher than this, and the impressions would also do better as well. All right, so you also want to go over and check how viewers find your videos, YouTube search, browse features, suggested videos, all this. And this is where you can also tell which of your videos are doing well in your channel, so that you also know the type of content or the type of topics to create your videos around. All right, so you can see that the previous 90 days, my impressions is showing this amount and my click-through rate is this. Now let's see if there has been any improvements for the past 28 days. So when you see, if I click here, you can see that the average view duration increased a little bit, and the impression click-through rate from 2 point something has increased to 3.9. That means, yeah, I have improved in that area. But on the other hand, you can see that the impressions dropped a little bit with 8%, and also the views dropped a bit. So when you look at your analytics the way I showed earlier, and you see that maybe it's just one video that is having issues, then you know that it's packaging issue. Maybe you need better hooks, better thumbnail, better titles. But if it is the whole channel that is affected, like the whole video, everything dropped, so that means it's a signal issue. Okay, so it's important for us to understand this so that we don't confuse performance decline with punishments. Like you are thinking YouTube is trying to punish you by shadow banning you. All right, so the second way you can actually test if your channel is limited in reach is going to your Google. So you go ahead and type in your channel name or copy the exact title of a video from your channel, paste it there, and if your channel pops up, that means you are not hidden. And if your video shows up it means YouTube has not buried you. So ranking lower on YouTube is not shadow ban. It just means the competition is high and you are competing with a lot of creators, a lot of people that have been there before you. So that doesn't mean you are being shadow banned. So that is the second way to test it. Now we are going to talk about the real silent reach killer. Okay, so if YouTube is not pushing your channel, your impressions are flopping, your views are flopping, there are a lot of factors that contribute to this that most of us small creators are very guilty of. So we are going to take a look at these things right now, and this is what we can refer to as spam signals. All right, and number one of it all is sub for sub. If you are still doing sub for sub, eventually it's going to affect your channel. It's going to affect your reach. It's going to affect your impressions. So practicing sub for sub is definitely not something that you should be doing as a small channel that wants to grow. And the other spam signals is comments for comments, joining fake engagement groups, buying views, buying subscribers, mass replying to comments within minutes. Like you are replying to comments under your videos. Under 5 minutes, you have replied 100 comments. Like this type of behaviors can trigger that signal. And you should know that YouTube's AI system is trained to identify unnatural behaviors, unnatural patterns on YouTube. So they are trying to detect all these things. So when you do this continually, eventually the algorithm is going to lose trust in your channel because why? They are experiencing these spamming signals, spamming behaviors, unnatural behaviors from your channel. So they are going to lose trust on your channel. And what is going to happen is that they are going to stop recommending your videos. They're going to stop pushing your videos. You know, your distribution can quietly slow down. And no, they are not going to send you a warning or send you an email or a reminder. They will just simply reduce the rate in which they push your videos. And that is where you see your views crashing and all that. So that's what happens. And that is what most people refer to as shadow ban. But in reality, it simply means the algorithm doesn't trust your channel anymore. And it is important for you to learn from this video right now. And if you have been engaging in this spam signal behavior that I listed here, you should stop doing it so that you can rebuild your trust with the YouTube's algorithm. So now let's talk about the packaging reality check. So now before you start blaming YouTube for not pushing your videos or accusing them of shadow banning your channel, you should check these following things. How is your retention? How is your CTR? What is your average view duration? Because if people are not watching your video for a longer time, they are clicking off. This can also affect your reach, your views, your impression, and so on and so forth. Now let's talk about the fix. How do you fix this? First of all, like I mentioned before, if you have been engaging in all this spamming behavior, stop it immediately. Then number two, clean up your metadata. Your metadata is going into thumbnails and titles. So also, if there are any misleading links in your description, take them off. And also, if your titles are misleading in any way, your thumbnails are not worthy or anything, adjust it. Clean up, restructure your metadata. Then focus on uploading one strong video. It's better you upload one good quality video once a week than flooding your channel with 5 videos a week. Focus on clear promise, value, on your hook. The first 30 seconds of your video matters a lot. Focus on your titles and your thumbnail and your description as well. And of course, the overall structure and presentation of your video. At the end of the day, by the time your subscriber finish watching your video, they should be able to learn something, get something from that video, or feel entertained, or whatever it is you are bringing to the table. Number 4, drive real traffic to your videos. Now you can leverage your community post tab, you can leverage your playlist, you can leverage your cards, your end screen, you can also leverage your shorts tab by remixing shorts from your long form content as shorts. That way you are driving traffic to your long form content. All right, so these are ways you can boost your views, and the overall performance of your video organically without engaging in any spamming behaviors like sub for sub, comment for comments, and joining fake engagement group or buying views. Basically, what you are going to do is rebuilding trust with the YouTube's very important, because that's the only way your videos can get pushed, your videos can get recommended again. After all this, does Shadowban exist? The answer is no, not official. But silent rich killers do exist. So if your impressions dropped, don't panic. Diagnose it and fix it and grow from it. So if this video helped you, like this video and drop a comment fixing my impressions. Let me know if you are going to fix your impressions in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching and bye bye for now.